Hello everyone. Today our topic is electromagnetic waves and the electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic waves and the electromagnetic spectrum. See, what is electromagnetic radiation? Electromagnetic waves, perpendicular waves combining the electric and magnetic fields. Electromagnetic waves are produced when an electric charge vibrates or accelerates and can travel through empty space or soft matter through the matter. That is the electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves are the perpendicular waves combining the electric and magnetic fields. Electromagnetic waves are produced when an electric charge vibrates or accelerates and can travel through empty space or through the matter. Okay, these are the electromagnetic waves. See, electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic spectrum consisting of different rays. Those are gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet, visible light, infrared, microwaves, radio waves. Okay, these are the main electromagnetic spectrum rays. Here, highest frequency, shortest wavelength, lowest frequency, longest wavelength. There are two different wave spectrums, highest frequency and shortest wavelength, lowest frequency and longest wavelength. That is electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic spectrum consisting of 7 types of rays: gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet rays, visible light, infrared, microwaves, radio waves. Simply the keyword of electromagnetic spectrum identification: radio Mirchi, I love you, Xerox gun. Radio Mirchi, I love you, Xerox gun. Radio means radio waves, Mirchi means microwaves, I means infrared, love V means visible light, U means ultraviolet, Xerox X means X-rays, gun G means gamma rays. Okay, this is the key sentence to identify electromagnetic spectrum radiation. Radio Mirchi, I love you, Xerox gun. Radio Mirchi, I love you, Xerox gun. See, electromagnetic spectrum diagram. Diagram of electromagnetic spectrum including the relationship between frequency and wavelength. Frequency and wavelength. See, here long wavelength, low frequency. Here short wavelength, high frequency. Okay, for long wavelength, low frequency, first ray is radio, next one microwaves, next infrared, next visible, ultraviolet, X-rays, gamma rays. Okay, these are the electromagnetic spectrum diagram. Diagram of electromagnetic spectrum including the relationship between frequency and wavelength. Speed of electromagnetic waves. All electromagnetic waves travel at 3.0 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second in a vacuum. Speed of a wave formula: speed equals to frequency into wavelength. As the frequency increases, the wavelength decreases. As the frequency increases, the wavelength decreases. Electromagnetic spectrum includes the following types of waves: radio waves, microwaves, radar waves, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, gamma rays. Okay, these are the electromagnetic spectrum. The electromagnetic spectrum consisting of these waves, there is a simple identification. Okay, radio waves have football field. Okay, next one 1 meter, that is human. Next one 10 to the power minus 1 to 10 to the power minus 2 B. Next one, pinhead 10 to the power minus 3, cell 10 to the power minus 4 infrared waves, 10 to the power minus 6 bacteria, and then virus 10 to the power minus 7 meters, atom 10 to the power minus 10, nuclei 10 to the power minus 12. These are the large size of particles to very small size of particles. Hence, this is the complete electromagnetic wave spectrum. The waves below in ascending order of wavelength, descending order of frequency. Ascending order of wavelengths, this is the ascending order of wavelength, descending order of frequency from gamma rays to radio waves. See overview of electromagnetic waves. Waves forms two types of waves. One is longitudinal waves, transverse waves. Longitudinal waves is nothing but sound waves. Transverse waves is nothing but electromagnetic waves. The properties and then classified into electromagnetic spectrum. This electromagnetic spectrum comprises of radio waves, microwaves, infrared, light waves, ultraviolet, X-ray, gamma rays. This is the overview of electromagnetic waves. Waves is two types, longitudinal waves and transverse waves. Longitudinal waves is nothing but sound waves. Transverse waves is nothing but electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves are classified into electromagnetic spectrum. This electromagnetic spectrum consisting of 7 types of rays. First one, see gamma rays. Gamma rays have the shortest wavelength and highest frequency in the electromagnetic spectrum. Gamma rays have the shortest wavelength and highest frequencies in the electromagnetic spectrum. It is generated by changes in energy levels in the nucleus. Some radioactive substances and certain nuclear reactions produce gamma rays. Because of their great penetrating ability, gamma rays can cause serious illness. However, when used in controlled condition, gamma rays is useful in cancer treatment. Gamma rays are useful in cancer treatment. Gamma rays have the shortest wavelength and highest frequency in the electromagnetic spectrum. It is generated by changes in energy levels in the nucleus. See uses of gamma rays: kill cancer cells, study the nucleus in atoms. Okay, study the nucleus present in an atoms. It kill cancerous cells. Next one, gamma rays. Gamma rays are the highest energy electromagnetic wave. Gamma rays are the highest energy electromagnetic wave. They usually come from radioactive elements or stars. Radioactive elements or stars. Uses include killing cancerous cells, making picture of the brain, inspection tools in industry. These are also applications of gamma rays. Next one, see second rays, X-rays. X-rays is generated by rapid deceleration of fast moving electrons. Rapid deceleration of fast moving electrons. Changes in energy of innermost orbital electrons. Changes in energy of innermost orbital electrons. X-rays are used for diagnostic tool in dentistry and medicine. Doctors and dentists can examine the condition of a person's bones, the root of his teeth, or the state of their inner part of the body. Custom officers at airports inspect the content of your luggage using X-rays. Okay, next one, industry wise, it is used to find cracks in structures just like cracks in bones. Okay, these are the medicinal applications of X-rays. X-rays have high energy and can penetrate some material used in medicine, industry, transportation. Too much exposure can damage tissue or even cause cancer. X-rays are too much uses, it exposes, can damage tissue or even cause cancer. That is the drawback of X-rays. Next was X-ray radiation has a high ability and can pass right through our bodies. X-rays film forms images depending on the X-rays falling on it. The left by things that the X-rays cannot travel through, like bones or metal, from the on medical X-rays. Overexposure can cause. Okay, these are also X-rays uses. Next one, uses of X-rays. Take pictures of bones in the body, study the crystal structure of crystalline substances, check for cracks in metal plates. Check for cracks in metal plates. These are the different applications of X-rays. Next one, see ultraviolet waves. Ultraviolet light that is at a higher frequency and energy than violet light. UV light can kill microorganisms. Too much exposure can cause sunburn, wrinkles and skin cancer as it damages cell DNA. Okay, these are the ultraviolet waves. UV light that is at higher frequency and energy than violet light. Okay, next, UV light can kill microorganisms. Too much exposure can cause sunburn, wrinkles and skin cancer. These are the diseases by overusing of ultraviolet waves as it damages cell DNA. Ultraviolet, the main source of ultraviolet radiation is sunlight, and it is this radiation which gives rise to suntan and also sunburn. Ultraviolet radiation is used in hospitals to sterilize the surgical instruments and operating theaters as it kills bacteria and viruses. UV can be detected by photographic plates, photoelectric cells, fluorescence. Okay, photographic plates, photoelectric cells, fluorescence. Okay, these are the fluorescence. Photographic plates, this is photoelectric cells. Okay, this is the ultraviolet sources. Uses of ultraviolet: detect counterfeit notes, gives the cloths a glow effect in discotheques, sun tanning, sterilize medical equipment. These are uses of ultraviolet. Next one, see visible light. Visible light is made up of the various of color light. Is determined by the frequency of the light. When electromagnetic radiation of this frequency falls on our body, our brain interprets it as color. Okay, right? This is the visible light. Visible light having different colors, like which are colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. These are the visible light. Visible light is the part of electromagnetic spectrum which can be detected by the human eye. The visible light has its own spectrum which consisting of the 7 colors of light, that is which are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. An example of visible light is the colorful laser light or the light from a firework. Some of the uses of light is in optical fiber, in medicine and telecommunication. These are the visible lights. Our eyes detect electromagnetic energy in a small portion of the electromagnetic spectrum called the visible light region. The visible light region corresponds the wavelengths and frequencies of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet light. Uses of visible light: enable us to see things. Next one, photosynthesis in plants. These are the uses of visible light. Next one, infrared waves. Heat can be transferred through infrared radiation. We often think of infrared as being the same thing as heat because it makes our skin feel warm. Most of you might have seen infrared waves in use during the SARS period. Picture on the top right hand corner. Okay, this is the picture. Okay, infrared waves picture. It shows a thermo detector which is placed in outside hospitals, airport to identify the warm and cool parts of a person by analyzing infrared radiation emitted from the person's body. And through this we can see if someone is having a fever. Infrared is useful for navigation through fog and haze. Fog and haze, as it is less easily scattered compared to visible light. Medical treatment to warm injured muscles, sports injuries. Medical treatment, it is used to warm injured muscles, sports injuries. Uses of infrared. Heating, haze photography. Heating and haze photography. Infrared image of a human body. Red is hot, blue is cool. This is our body diagram, infrared image of human body, where red is so hot, blue is nothing but it's a cool part. Infrared waves are heat waves. All objects emit infrared waves because all objects possess heat. Night vision goggles detect infrared waves and allow the user to see the movement of objects in the dark. Many TV remotes use infrared waves. TV remotes we use infrared waves. Okay, this is the body diagram, body image of infrared wave. Okay, this is the food heating infrared waves uses. Next one, microwaves. One of their most common uses is in microwave ovens. When you switch on a microwave oven, it gives off electromagnetic waves that bounce around inside the oven, penetrating the food. Water molecules in the food absorb the energy from the microwaves, causing the food to get hot. That is, a microwave oven is the best use of microwaves. Other uses of microwaves, radar communication, as it is not easily blocked off by buildings, trees. Analysis of fine details of molecular and atomic structure. Useful demonstration of all wave properties on macroscopic scale. Telephone communication, that is mobile phones, use microwave waves. Uses of microwaves, radar communication, analysis of the molecular and atomic structure, telephone communication. These are the main uses of microwaves. Next one, radio waves. Radio waves are the electromagnetic waves with the longest wavelengths and lowest frequencies. Like all electromagnetic waves, radio waves can travel through a vacuum. However, most of the radio waves we receive have traveled through air. Take the radio as an example. The radio converts the electromagnetic waves into sound that comes out of the radio speakers. Uses of radio waves. Radio and television communication to transmit sound and picture information over long distance. Radar and satellite communication. Navigation are ships and aircrafts. Okay, these are the main applications of radio waves. See the uses of radio waves. Radar communications, TV and radio broadcasting. TV and radio broadcasting, that means radio signaling, TV signaling are radio waves. Radio waves have the broad wavelengths in the electromagnetic spectrum. These waves can be longer than a frequency and shorter than the wavelength. Radio waves do more than just bring music to your radio. They also carry for your mobiles and telecommunication phones. Thank you, students. Thank you for listening. This is the electromagnetic spectrum, electromagnetic wave radiation. There are multiple choice bits is there, uses briefly applications of the electromagnetic spectrum. Thank you for listening.